Hello lovers, we are in Venice today. It is my last day here. I've been relaxing for like 3 days since punk rock holiday because that was a time, but you'll hear about that another time. Today we're gonna go explore Venice. I'm gonna go on a walking tour via this app, try and see what we can learn, go see a bit of Venice. It is 31 degrees today, so we'll see how far I get without absolutely dying from the heat. But let's go explore Venice. This is my view from my hotel. Nothing too special, but very Venetian, if you know what I mean. Alright, well, let's go. It's really fucking hot and I'm already sweating and haven't even started the walking tour. I need a drink though first. Bloody delicious oysters. So good. Creamy, freshly strapped, so it's delicious. Good service too. They give me a lighter. Big old bridge. This is where my tour starts, so let's see what we learn about Venice. So that statue is a dude who was a lawyer who turned his back and became a famous playwright. And this is the heart of Venice, what it used to be. So that's pretty cool. But see his birthplace eventually. Smacking. And this is the main canal. This is Canal Possible that links both sides of Venice. Smells like sweat around here. So this bridge that I cannot pronounce apparently once collapsed when it was wooded in a parade, and Venice was made in 421. 421? That's such an old city. Also, the water level is quite high today. Let's hope it doesn't flood while I'm here. See what I mean? It's slightly flooding today, I think. (1541). That's an old statue. Public officials would walk up and stand there and proclaim the news of the day, or like the politician stuff. This walking map is really cool. Old financial house, which looks really pretty, and then you have old school graffiti for the Virgin Mary. I forget what it says, but I'll put it out underneath it. The translations are really cool. This is the Rialto Market. Seems a little bit dead. Oh my god, there's a wasp on me. I'm getting attacked by a wasp. It's scary. There's meant to be lots of vegetables here. Zucchini flowers in the right season, and artichokes are the main one of Venice on one of these islands. Unfortunately, it's a bit empty today, so I'm not buying any fruit. I'm really enjoying this tour though, I'll be honest. I am getting stared at a lot, even though I'm alright, but yeah. And it's really fucking hot, bro. But we will continue. This street is called Barrel Street. Apparently most of the words on the streets give you a little bit of history of what they used to be. So this used to be where they made all the barrels for all the wines that they had. I'm loving this tour. It's very hot though. And very hot. These are on every street. Don't think I want one though. These gave me nightmares back in the day. This shop is where I got my bras from. She's a really good lady in there. Fits me perfectly, obviously, without even knowing my size. One of the biggest open squares, and they put an ice skating rink here in winter. Wouldn't mind coming to see that, to be honest. Nice. That's the first greenery I've seen anywhere, or dirt. Wow. Of course the church has it. Built in 1478. That's old. I know I should be going into the churches to go see it, but it's too hot and I'm not dressed for a church really. One day. So all these buildings around me have been rebuilt in like the 1900s because apparently they had fallen to squalor, and the guy who like planned it all turned out to be like the Prime Minister of Italy, which was rare because he was Jewish. I'm really enjoying this walk, especially because it's just in my ear and no one else has to like stop and like talk to me at all. Highly recommend this. Mid 13th century. This was here in the mid 13th century. That's so impressive. Like, it's so old. Oh, I felt a breeze, but like mid 13th century. That's so much older than me. That's cool as. This is for the squalors who are also whipping themselves, flagellating themselves. 1480, I think it was built. Look at the marble though. And that was bronze that is grey now, obviously. But that's sick. Major downside of Venice is that there's no breeze. Whose dog is that? There's just no breeze. It's really pretty, but it's like 31 degrees and hot, no breeze. And that's the Venice State Archive, where they put all the documents. Looks a bit run down. Well, that's cool. City records, man. That's pretty cool. 40 miles of documents stored here, and where all Casanova's reports came through. And that finishes my audio tour. Just a couple of hours to walk around Venice with some good information. Really good. But I'm fucking hot, so it's time to go back to air conditioning, and then I'll see you for dinner. Might get some traditional Venice food. We'll see. You'll see. I've decided to get Burger King for my last night here because it's too hot and I'm too tired, and I just want to sit under air conditioning. But that's all for the Venice vlog, and I'll see you tomorrow for my train journey through Switzerland and everything else. See you then. Okay, bye.